Hey guys, this is Rahul here, and today we are going to see the project details for the Google Doc. So here the topic for the project detail is create your own blog article of my favorite hobby. So my favorite hobby is playing chess. So I will make a Google Doc blog on it. So for that I have gone to the website of Google Doc, that is docs.google.com. So here we will first add a title by using this by using the word art. So for that I'll go on insert drawing, and in drawing I will click on this new. In this new I will this drawing sheet comes in front of me, and here I will select first word art. So word art means it gives you the word, and I will press enter. So it has given me word in a very fancy style. If suppose I need to change the font, so I will change the font to Oswald medium size, and so the font has been changed. And as I click on save and close, so here my word art has appeared. So then I will click on this so that it should easily move. So here I have moved it. So guys, as I have also opened some of the links over here, you can see Wikipedia of chess. So from here we are going to take some images of chess, and we are going to write down some information. So I think that this image looks pretty good. So let me copy this image. So I will open it. I will copy the image and I will paste it in my Word document. So for that, let me paste the image. So pasting of the image, so I have pasted here the image. It will take some time for the image to appear. Why is the image not appearing? Let me do it once again. I will click it, I will copy the image and I will paste it. So guys, you can see here the image has appeared. I have just copied it and pasted it. So now let me resize the image. First I will click on this so that I can easily scale it according to my convenience, and then I have resized it, and let me move it down. So this is how I move it. So now let us write down some information regarding chess. So for writing down that information, I will not waste your time and my time. I will just simply copy it down from the Wikipedia. So it shows that chess is a two-player strategy board game, and it has 64 squares arranged in 8 into 8 grid. The game is played by millions people worldwide. Chess is believed to be derived from Indian game Shatranj, sometimes before the 7th century. So this was about the history. And Shatranj is also likely the ancestor of Eastern strategy game. So I will go it till the pieces assumed, yeah, till this first para, because generally the first para is about the history. Then I will write down over here. So I will move down, and here I will first write the heading history, which is TORY history. I will change the font for it. I will do it as Oswald medium size. I will change the color. I will make the color as orange, and I will increase the font size to 18. Then I will move on to the next line. In the next line I have already told you that we have copied something, so we will directly paste it. So here you can see the hyperlinks. To remove the hyperlink, I simply will remove hyperlink, and the hyperlink gets removed. I will again click it. Similarly in Shatranj also I need to remove the hyperlink, so here I have removed the hyperlink in Eastern also. So here I will remove all the hyperlinks. So this is how you remove the hyperlinks. Now if I need to, I will just resize it. I will make it size as 14, and I will change the font from Arial to Oswald normal, and so I get it. See, I have formatted the text, I have included the word art, I have included an image, and so I can change the color if you wish. I can make it as dark gray. it will look a bit good. Okay, here it's showing some grammatical error, that is checkboard. It means that it's some kind of spelling mistake. So now this was about the history of chess, guys. We know that the biggest honor in chess is known as the Grandmaster. So here I have the Wikipedia page for the Grandmaster. So here Grandmaster is a title awarded to chess players by the World Chess Organization FIDE. Apart from World Championship, Grandmaster is the highest title in chess that can attain, and once achieved the title is generally held for life. Through exceptionally it may be revoked for cheating and so on. So let us copy about this highest title. So copy that and let us move here. So now let us write something about the Grandmaster. Grandmaster. Okay, so now let me change the font. So here I will first change the color to orange, and then I will, font is okay, no, I will make it as bold, sorry, medium, and then I will change it to 18. Okay, it looks good. And then as we have moved to the next page, so I think that the heading should also move to the next page. So here I have moved the heading to the next page, and then let me paste the data that I have got. I will remove the hyperlinks. So you can remove the hyperlinks. Then by removing the hyperlinks, after removing the hyperlinks, let us, I hope you might be knowing Vishwanathan Anand, the Indian Grandmaster of Chess. So let us find some information regarding him. So this was about the removing hyperlinks. Now let us increase the text size, change the font type. So here we have done all these things. So let us let the color be as it is. So here we have Vishwanathan Anand. Vishwanathan Anand is an Indian Grandmaster and multiple time world champion. As we know, he plays chess in all forms, that is standard, rapid and blitz time control. He became the first Grandmaster of India in 1988, and after, I guess, in 2012 Magus Carlsen became the Grandmaster. So let us write about Vishwanathan Anand also over here. So Vishwanathan Anand. So let us write down A-N-A-N-D. Oh, there is a grammatical mistake. It had shown me. No, it is not. So let me paste the data. Vishwanathan Anand. Vishy Anand is the Indian Grandmaster and a multiple time chess champion. So let me change the font color over here. So let me make the color as blue, and let me make the name as black. It was already black. Okay, so let me increase the font size to 18 and let me make it as bold, medium. So this is how you make it. And now let us insert an image. So we will simply go on one image of Sir Vishwanathan Anand, and I will left click on it, and I will select copy image, and I will go to my Google Docs, and here I will remove this stuff. I will press enter, and I will just paste it. So I have pasted here the image. You can see that the image has came over here, and we can resize the image, format the image as we have seen. So here I will resize the image for showing you people. So here I have resized this image of Vishwanathan Anand. And this was about the history of chess, guys. The highest award in chess, that is the Grandmaster, and the Indian Grandmaster, that is about the Vishwanathan Anand. And here if you want, you can add the table also. So for inserting a table, you need to go on insert and then table, and then you need to select, suppose I need to add a 2 by 2 table. So I will just simply click on it, 2 by 2, and here you can see that a 2 by 2 table has been added. So, oh, where the image gone? Wait, let me undo it. So here was my image, my cursor is here, so let me move my cursor down so that the table will come down. And insert and table a 2 by 2 table, and then we can see that it was not fitting on one page, so the Google Docs is smart enough to make it on 2 pages. So here we have entered, so let us write down about when did he became the grandmaster, and when did he became a world champion. So world champion, so we have already seen that he had become a world champion in 1998, and sorry, grandmaster in 1998, and he became a world champion in 2006, as we've already seen. Now if I need to change the color, so I will change the color from here by making this red, and I will autofill it. If I want, I can fill the color too. So for filling the color, so here I have made it as red color. I can highlight it too. If I want to highlight, I can highlight it with green color. So here you can see that it has been highlighted with green color. Similarly, you can do rest of the things, guys. So this was all about including an image, working on word art, resizing, formatting of text, then resizing the images, making of tables, highlighting of entries in the table. You can also make bullet points of this if you wish, so I will show you by making some bullet points. If I click enter over here, and if I select this, and then I will go on format. In format I will go on bullets and numbering, and here I can bullet point it. So see, you can see that this all has been bulleted. Now if I want to remove this, just this heading from bullet, so I can remove it just by clicking backspace. And this, if I need to convert this to numbering, so I will simply go on format. In format I will again go to bullets and numbering, and then I will go to number list, and here you will see that it has been converted to a number list. This is how you can do these things, guys. So it is looking good, I guess. If you need to change the color, you can change the color. If you need to format this image, you can do it too. So this was all. If you see, this is italic, so you can see that this is italic. Now if I need to convert it to normal, I will just press it again. So see, it has become straight. Again I can convert it to italic and rest of the things. So if I need to align this whole text at the center of the page, so I can align it by clicking simply this. If I need to align it justify, so I can do like this. So this is how, guys, you work in Google Docs, and this was my favorite. This was about the my favorite hobby, playing chess. And you can rename this doc by just clicking on it, and here I have renamed it as chess. For sharing it, you will click here share, and then get shareable link, and you can give this link to anyone by copying it, sending it, and the person will be able to see it. So this was, guys, about my favorite hobby and the information that we have just jotted online. I hope you have understood it. So thank you for listening.